Look at this set. Vijay has 10 apps on his smartphone. He wants to customize the icons onto two home screens, screen 1 and screen 2. 10 apps are app C, big A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. But there can be only 5 apps in one screen. So Vijay decided to divide the apps equally on both the screens. Apps are sorted as per their usage according to the following condition. If those message D is in screen 2, 1, then J is in screen 2. Citrus is not the screen where C is not with G. I and A are not in same screen with D. If H is in 1, E is in 2. E is not with B and F. C is not with H. So many informations, but all are very much open-ended. So let us look at the problems. If E is not in screen 1, one, 2. E is not in screen 1, so that means E is in screen 2. And D is in screen 1, D is in screen 1. So E into D in 1. And it is first condition. If D is in 1, J is in 2. So J is in 2. C and G are separate. Right now I cannot use. I and A not with D. So I here, A here. If H is in 1, E is in 2. E is not in the screen with B gaps and F. So B is here, F is here. C is not with H. If H is 1, E is 2. So C I'll put here, H I'll put here. What left? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K is also here. No, not K. Which one I left? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is also here. So which app is not in screen 2? G is not in screen 2. Option A. C is in screen 2, A is in screen 2, I is in screen 2. Next problem. If C and D are in different screen, which is also happening here, and which of the apps are always in one screen? DEJ, DEJ, no. HEG, HG, but E is separate. HBA, no. DGH, yes. DGH, same. If H is in screen 2, okay, I have to change. H is in screen 2. Start with that. H is in screen 2. H is in screen 2. So C is here. C is here. C is not with G. So G is here. B and F together. E is indifferent. Acha. Screen 1. Who was there in screen 1? Which one I've used? I've given H in screen 2. So this one I've used. This one I've used. C is not in same. So C is in 1. C is in 1. C and G is not in same. So G is in 2. Now B is 1. J is in 2. D is not. Achha, so let me put D here. So J is in 2. And if D is not with, D is in 1, J is in 2, and D is not with I and A. So I and A here. So what left? B here, E here, F here. IAB not together, BCE not together. Which are definitely in screen 1. IAC. What if I give this direction? D is in 1, J is in 2, fine condition. G is not same as G's condition. I and A not in D. Yeah, I and A here, D is this side. H is in 1 if E is in 2. H is in 1 if E is in 2, which is not happening. E is 1, so H is in 2. E is not with B and F. Oh, E is coming with B and F. So this one is not correct. This one is not correct. So D I cannot give this side. So D I have to give this side. So I and A must be coming this side. So CIA must be same. CIA must be same. Option D. Next.